for Homestead Skills again. And today I am just going to go through a few items that I have managed to find at the thrift shops. A little bit of slim pickings, at least from my perspective. I'm sure other people find things that they like in abundance, but I have not lately. So mind you, I've been busy doing other things, so it's not been a priority in my mind. But probably one of the best things I found was this large Pyrex casserole bowl, and it's brand new. You could tell that there's not a scratch on it, like it's brand spanking new. So I used to have one of these before. They're wonderful for making roast beef, roast anything in, actually, and comes out very tasty. So I spotted this one, and for I think it was $9 actually. Yeah, figured it was a good deal. I think these are at least $30, $40 just to buy the one this size in the store. So another item that I got that probably is nice, but I like my Royal Albert mugs a little bit better. It's a nice China mug, November, and with probably a fall type flower on it. It's nice, I've used it, but I still prefer my Royal Albert mugs, which I use all the time. Okay. And last but not least, on the agenda today I found one more. And actually I had looked online and I saw a couple of stores where one said that they had 5 cases of these, another one said that they had 3 cases, and by the time you get there nobody had any. I've been collecting these one at a time. They're very rare to find them in store. They're a half-pint wide mouth jar. But even in thrift shops they're difficult to find, because one of the thrift shops bundles one of these with 2 other pieces of glass in a little plastic bag and wants $3 for it, and I would throw the other 2 bits in the garbage, so I'm not paying $3 for one little mason jar. But this one was 99 cents, which is no bargain, but that's fine. At least it was. I'm not asked to pay $3 for something that I don't want and would throw away. So yes, I have maybe 5 of these now, and too bad. I thought I was going to score and bring home a couple of cases of them and give one to my daughter, but such was not the case. So maybe when things turn around a little bit, I might be able to buy these by the case again. So on the really interesting note, hang on. Okay, as I was saying, on the really interesting note is that I did stop by the shop where I picked up a whole bunch of pint jars at a real score, and to my surprise they did have another half skid of pint jars, and don't need them, but the way things are going I thought I'd pick up another 2 anyway, at $7.99, so $8. I'm not sure if I paid $6.99 for the last bunch, but still $7.99 is, I believe I did pay $1 less the last time. But anyway, when I went to the cash I told the girl, you know that you cannot find these anywhere, that everybody is out of stock. And she says, yes, we know, we couldn't get any for a little while. I said, but you're still selling them at a very reduced price. And she says, yes, we always do. And I thought, wow, this is amazing. This is the one store you want to frequent. They certainly don't take advantage of you when the chips are down. So I was really pleased. I did buy another 2 cases, and so I guess if anyone needs some, we'll have some available for them as well. So like if my daughter wants some, she's certainly welcome to them. And okay, that's my video for now. It's a short one this time around. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.